The entire process for getting an implant bridge is come in for our complimentary implant consultation, and we will customize a plan for you. And in that situation, what we would do, I would evaluate your bone and look at, do we have enough bone in between these teeth to place implants? If we do, more than likely we will. And so I would prepare the 2 teeth or more that's adjacent to the spaces, and then place the appropriate mini dental implant in the spaces. Take an impression and fabricate a temporary, so that you have teeth in the meantime while we wait for the lab to fabricate your permanent bridge. And when that bridge comes in from the lab, we will take off your temporary bridge and cement your permanent bridge.